going to say some of that again. So yesterday we did our boxes. We're filling them in, making sure our lines meet the outside. Today you're going to be making your own boxes. So we're going to split them into 4 to 6 sections. Once we split them, here I have 1, 2, 3, 4 sections. It's still the same rule, right? So on this section, and I'm going to make my lines a different color, just so you can really see what I'm doing, but yours will be all black. So my lines can go this way or this way. I can't make diagonal lines because none of the lines on the outside of my shape are diagonal, okay? And we don't want to do the same thing over and over because that is exceptionally boring. And we are trying to make an interesting design. So this you can see none of my lines cross and they are all parallel with one of the outside lines. So on this square I can do a horizontal line because I have a horizontal line. I can also do lines that are vertical, or diagonal, sorry, or horizontal. So I can do horizontal lines, vertical lines, diagonal lines, okay? You can also do curves. You want to see, and if you get into something like this, then you're getting a little more difficult because now my lines inside have to follow this curve. So I could do lines that go this way. I can still do a horizontal line because the line on the bottom is horizontal. Or I can do lines that match this side. Right? I would not be able to do just a vertical up and down line here because I don't have one on the outside of my shape. Here I can do horizontal that match these lines. Or these lines. And we're trying to make an interesting shape. So as you can see, when you get into these curved lines, your shape does get a lot more interesting, but it also becomes more difficult. So the difficulty is going to be part of your grade, okay? If your lines match up, it's going to be part of your grade. The crispness of your lines I'm going to look at. And also remember, after you fill all these squares up, you're going to pick the 6 you like the best. We're going to cut them out, and we are going to mount those on a piece of black paper as a nice little display. And we'll talk more about how to do that later. So today your job is to fill all these boxes up with your original designs. All right, you can stop, Gabe. I'm sorry.